Most tuning companies customize cars. Mansory turns them into million-dollar masterpieces. Hand-built, wrapped in carbon fiber, and created for buyers who never ask the price. These machines redefine automotive luxury. Today, we're counting down the 10 most expensive Mansory cars ever built. Let's get started. Number 10. Mansory Rolls-Royce Ghost. The standard Ghost already costs over $400,000, but this is the least expensive car on our list. Mansory takes the 6.75-liter V12 and reworks it to 720 horsepower and 1,020 Nm of torque, launching this luxury fortress to 100 km/h in 4.4 seconds. But it's the craftsmanship that justifies the price. Every exterior panel reconsidered in carbon fiber, hand-finished and fitted with surgical precision. Inside, bespoke leather combinations Rolls-Royce itself doesn't offer, and a starlight headlining with 1,340 individual fiber optic lights, made even more elaborate by Mansory's interior team. Months of labor. Tens of thousands per panel. This is the entry point. Number 9. Mansory Rolls-Royce Spectre. That's how many Spectre kits Mansory distributed worldwide. The standard Spectre starts around $450,000, an all-electric Rolls-Royce with 585 horsepower and 465 kilometers of range. Mansory adds a carbon fiber front splitter, rear diffuser, widened fender flares, and custom 24-inch forged wheels. Every component built specifically for this car and this car alone. The interior gets leather combinations outside Rolls-Royce's own configurator, plus custom ambient lighting designed for this specific cabin. The price reflects something beyond materials: scarcity. There are more Bugatti Veyrons in the world than Mansory Spectres. Number 8. Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge. At roughly $880,000, this is one of the most expensive SUVs on the planet. The twin-turbo 6.75-liter V12 produces 600 horsepower and 950 Nm, hitting 100 km/h in 5 seconds flat. Terrifying for something this massive. But it's the body that tells the story, almost entirely reworked with carbon fiber across every exterior surface. A widened body kit that required entirely new tooling. Custom wheels designed exclusively for this build. Inside, the rear cabin carries Rolls-Royce's full black badge specification, elevated further with deep colors, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber details that make the factory's own program look restrained. Number 7. Mansory Mercedes-AMG G63 Grande Entree. The standard G63 costs about $180,000. The Mansory Grande Entree? Roughly 4 times that. Nearly $750,000 for a vehicle shaped like a brick, but a brick with 820 horsepower and 1,150 Nm ripping through all 4 wheels. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 gets reworked internals, larger turbochargers, and custom software, 0 to 100 in 4 seconds in something with the aerodynamics of a filing cabinet. Every panel that could be replaced has been replaced with carbon fiber. Inside, two-tone leather combinations Mercedes will never offer, illuminated door seals, and custom stitching that takes days per panel to complete. This isn't an SUV. It's a declaration. Number 6. Mansory Ferrari Purosangue Pugnator. Ferrari spent decades refusing to build an SUV. Then they built the Purosangue, and Mansory immediately decided it wasn't aggressive enough. The Pugnator pushes the price towards $600,000, starting from Ferrari's $430,000 base. Under the hood, the only naturally aspirated V12 SUV in production, now making 755 horsepower and 730 Nm. Mansory wraps it in a carbon fiber body kit with wider arches, a redesigned front splitter, and a rear diffuser, hundreds of hours of hand-finished carbon work. Every interior surface reconsidered with materials and stitching that push well beyond Ferrari's own customization program. The prancing horse, now with claws. Number 5. Mansory BMW M5 P850. This is where things stop making sense, in the best way. A standard BMW M5 costs about $115,000. The Mansory P850 can exceed $1 million once every available upgrade is selected. Nearly 10 times the base price. Why? The 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 is completely re-engineered. Internals, turbochargers, cooling software, 850 horsepower and 1,150 Nm, pushing the sedan to 325 km/h. A wide body kit, custom wheels, and carbon fiber on every surface. Inside, leather combinations BMW's own M division doesn't offer, fitted entirely by hand. A $1 million sedan that still looks like it could pick up groceries. That's the flex. Number 4. Mansory Carbonado GTS. The name says it all. Carbonado. Every external panel on this Lamborghini Aventador has been replaced with carbon fiber. The standard car costs around $400,000. The Mansory version sales well past $1 million. The 6.5-liter V12 is pushed to 820 horsepower and 780 Nm. 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.8 seconds. Top speed, 355 km per hour. The wide body kit and aerodynamic rear wing are engineered specifically for this vehicle, not shared with any other Mansory build. Every surface, every angle, every curve reconsidered and rebuilt. This isn't a tuned Lamborghini. This is a Lamborghini that graduated from anger into something far more dangerous. Number 3. Mansory F9 XX Spider. The standard Ferrari SF90 Spider is already a hybrid hypercar at $550,000. Mansory's F9 XX transformation is one of the most extensive they've ever undertaken for a hybrid. Total output, 1,100 horsepower and 980 Nm from the reworked hybrid powertrain. Reworking a hybrid system requires specialist engineering. Ferrari itself spent years developing. 0 to 100 in 2.4 seconds. Top speed, 355 km per hour. Every body panel that could be replaced has been replaced with carbon fiber, generating downforce figures the standard car was never designed to produce. Custom leather, carbon fiber accents, and Alcantara throughout the cabin. Each material upgrade priced individually. The result sits among the most expensive Mansory builds ever commissioned. Number 2. Mercedes-AMG G Falcon by Carlex Design. A curveball at number 2, this one isn't even by Mansory. Carlex Design took a standard $140,000 Mercedes G-Class and transformed it into something that costs roughly 14 times more, nearly $2 million. And here's the twist. Buyers aren't paying for performance. The 4.0-liter V8 is largely unchanged. They're paying for what might be the most extravagant interior conversion ever applied to a G-Wagon. Every surface inside reconsidered, reimagined, and rebuilt with materials and craftsmanship that make the factory G-Class look mass-produced. The G Falcon proves that in this world, exclusivity alone can carry a 7-figure price tag. Number 1. Mansory Bugatti Veyron Sapphire Edition. And here it is. The most expensive car on this list, and Mansory's most expensive exterior transformation ever undertaken on a single vehicle. A Bugatti Veyron, already worth upwards of $2 million on the used market, completely reimagined. The 8.0-liter W16 engine with 4 turbochargers produces 1,119 horsepower and 1,310 Nm. 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. Top speed, 410 km per hour. But speed is only half the story. Every panel that could be replaced has been replaced with carbon fiber. The aerodynamic package was engineered specifically to manage downforce at over 400 km per hour, wind tunnel work for a car that already rewrote physics. Inside, custom leather in deep sapphire-inspired colors, fitted entirely by hand, with carbon fiber surfaces finished to a standard matching the car's price point. The final number? It pushes into territory where the car itself becomes one of the most expensive objects most people will ever see in person. The Veyron was already the car that broke the automotive world. Mansory just made it untouchable. Mansory doesn't build cars for people who ask the price. They build them for people who sign the check before the ink dries. From a $400,000 Ghost that somehow became the entry point, to a Bugatti that sits alone at the summit, these are the machines that prove the ceiling on automotive excess doesn't exist. It just gets pushed higher every year. This journey through carbon fiber and caviar level excess got your pulse up. Hit subscribe and join Drive Stats. We break down the machines shaping tomorrow today. Which of these would you actually park in your garage if money were no object? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.